the name necklaces thing. Like that's my thing. If you know me, this is something that you would definitely see me in. What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. My name is Shea. If you're a new visitor here, if you're a returning visitor, what's poppin'? Thanks for stopping by again. Glad to have you back. So today's video is going to be an unboxing of this necklace that I got from this company called MyNameNecklace. If you watch any of my videos or if you see me on Instagram, any type of thing like that, you'll notice that a lot of times I wear like a necklace that has my name on it. It just says Shea. I have it in different fonts, different scripts, different all that good stuff. So they have like ring options, there's bracelets, there's earrings. I'm not sure if I want to do the earrings just yet. I'm like, okay, maybe just keep to the necklace and like the rings and things like that, but I don't know about the earrings just yet. But I think those are really cute. Maybe next is gonna be my bracelet, and then I have like a full set. So I have like a necklace, I had a bracelet, I had all that good stuff going on, you know. It'll be all in one. So when the company MyNameNecklace reached out to me, I was like, yes, let's go ahead and do that. So it comes in just a little regular box. The first thing that I see in the box is this card, and it just says moments that matter captured in jewelry with the MyNameNecklace, I guess their logo down here. On the inside it has love and care, everything you need to know about your jewelry, so how to, I guess, upkeep with making sure that it doesn't tarnish and things like that. Do's and don'ts, yeah, that's what it says on the inside. And then on this side of the card it says give meaning. So this would actually be a bomb gift, like a birthday gift, Christmas gift. It might be a little too late to order for Christmas. I don't know if you can get away with saying like, okay, well, I don't know why your gift isn't here yet, if it's something you might be interested in giving somebody, but I think it could work. It depends on the person that you're getting the gift for. And then on the inside, it has a personalized card that says, from me to you, my name necklace. And on the inside, it says, dear Shea, we hope you truly enjoy your new name necklace. It was handcrafted just for you. Love, friends from MyNameNecklace. So this came in the package as well. So before I get to the actual necklace itself, it says, I'm yours to keep. And it's like a Christmas ornament, and it says Merry Christmas with love, my name necklace. That is very cute. All right, so this does not want to focus for some reason, but I'm getting a new lens soon. So this is what the actual packaging looks like. It says pretty things inside, my name necklace. All right, so let's see what the actual necklace looks like. I believe I got a silver one. I think that is so friggin' cute. I just want to put it on. Let's see. So yeah, as I said, the shipping is really fast. Right now on their website, it still says that they guarantee shipping by Christmas. So I'm not sure if it's just like for today. I mean, it is the 12th. All right. So got a little closer so you guys could see what this looks like. So I like my necklaces relatively short. I think that this is just super cute. Name necklaces are dope because it kind of breaks the initial barrier to when you're having conversations, because it's like, you know, somebody will see you and they're like, okay, I wonder what her name is, and they get close enough to you and it's like, Shea, you know. So I think this is really cute. I like to make my stuff, or I feel like part of the reason why I like custom jewelry or like things that have my name on it is because I would probably never go in a store and be able to see my name just on something. Like when they did that whole share a Coke with thing, like my name was never on those Cokes. So it's like having something like that, it's like, okay, well now I have my little name necklace. I can put my name necklace on, and I do have something that says my name on it, and it's something that I like, something that I enjoy, and I think will be cute. I'll get a lot of wear out of this because I have been wearing a lot of silver. So the production and shipping were very quick. I do think that you get very good quality items too. This doesn't just seem like it's something that'll easily break. It doesn't seem like the ropes will easily pop either, as long as you use them with regular wear and tear. Of course, sometimes people can be a little aggressive, and you know, sometimes a little necklace or chain will pop, but if you are doing your part and making sure that you're, you know, not doing too much with your necklaces and things like that, it should be long lasting. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also leave me some comments down below. If you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button right now, and also hit the bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. I will see you in the next one. Peace out.